Jakeofall. All right, unboxing. I finally bit the bullet. Was that Ohio Power Tool? And I mean, these are the same price everywhere, but I like Ohio Power Tool. It's on my way home. It's on my way to work. They're open during the times that I'm driving to work, and they're open during lunch, and they're open when I leave work. So honestly, my wife and my checkbook hates it. So M18. I've had a couple people say you really should get the DeWalt, the battery placement, but I don't like having multiple battery platforms. So, hey, we got Lincoln. Lincoln, say hi. Say hi to the camera. Up there. There.
Hi.
All right, I brought my lunch. Cool.
Can I have some?
We will take a quick break. Okay, lunch break's over. So, as I was saying, the M12 sander, M18, my bad. So I have a couple different random orbital sanders. They're all corded. I was working on that table. I don't know if you guys saw the crazy post where I had the Milwaukee vacuum running on a corded sander. I thought that seemed silly. I've wanted one of these when I do really teeny jobs. I think this will be great even if the battery is in an awkward spot. Crazy kid. You can see there. In general, without the battery, it's not a terrible footprint. Dust collection. And this is what I'm looking forward to right here. There's that adapter. So, this is the hose from the Milwaukee vacuum. You can see right there, plugs in. So now I can use the sander with the Milwaukee vacuum. I knew that Velcro would stick to that like that. So I'll play around with that, try it out, show you guys a little bit of it. Also, let's see. Gosh, that looks like a HEPA filter or something in there. What else do they give you? This is like what? Like a Sears catalog back in the day. You get your Craftsman catalog and go through it and junk. Comes with a couple pads. I will probably convert it over some of the Diablo tools. I like the little sand nets. So, something else. Oh, another little adapter. So, basic unboxing. I'll throw a battery on it, and I'll be right back. Thanks. Let's see. All right, now we'll try it with the vacuum. Okay, so that was just a few seconds. You can sort of see at the bench, any of this is what came off of it from where the holes weren't able to suck. I think the number one thing that I've never really loved about this vacuum is how short this one hose is. If I was wearing this on my back, it's actually not bad. This stretches out well, but when I had it in this little setup, you could see it was sort of fighting the hose, where if it was in my hands, it wouldn't have been a big deal. I've seen at Ohio Power Tool, and I've seen other places online, they have a 9-foot, I think it is, hose for this. And I don't know if that's the same hose as this, just when it's expanded. I've not tried to expand it that long. But realistically, I could just connect two hoses together. if I wanted to have this in a distance. But when I was sanding the farmhouse table, I had the corded DeWalt along with the cordless backpack vacuum, and I really like the way that worked. I expected it to do a little bit better, but I also know that if you don't clean these out often, these style vacuum cleaners don't work so well. But there is a good bit of dust in here. Let's see if I can get it to one end from that sander. So I don't think that's so bad. So I'm happy. Holding this, it's not the best with this battery. And I think it was Elmy Sparky that told me that he liked the 20 volt better. I've got in one of my cases the small battery, like one of the compact ones. And I think that's definitely what I'm gonna use in this because it's already pretty heavy. I mean, most random orbital sanders have some good weight. And then you add a battery like that. But overall, I'm happy with it. I probably won't use my corded unless I'm doing a ton of sanding outside now. And this will just be a general sander inside my shop when I'm doing projects. So thanks for watching. Have a good one. Back out.